Hi everyone, welcome to Reviving India. So today we are going to launch a complete series on a learning LangChain tutorial from the scratch. So basically in this tutorial we will be learning from zero and go all the way to building the advanced application of AI powered using LangChain. So are you ready to enter into the zone of AI? So nowadays, everywhere you go to Instagram, you go to YouTube, you go to any application, AI is all around. Now this time is not to use the AI, but to develop the AI. So I am Praveen Kumar, having holding more than 10 years of experience, working with the multiple MNC companies. Now I am here to guide you how to create a AI powered any application, any software, so that you can launch and join the hands with the AI. So the question comes, why LangChain? So guys, these days models like GPT-4, LLaMA, even DeepSeek, ChatGPT are the models, and you can think that these are the engines without the car. They know how to generate a powerful text, but they don't know how to create a workflows, manage the memory, or work on the custom data. That's why we came up here to launch these kind of video that we can complete car can be built with the Reviving India. It means that you understand the LLM also, as well as the building the LLM with the powerful application. So now we will be showing you the entire syllabus, that what we will be covering in this series. So guys, let's see about the syllabus. Next. So you can see guys, so this is the first chat model. So chat model is one of the, you can say the first step of where we need to understand that what is model, what are the company that providing the models, and how we can use this models. Okay, so first we will understand that models. Okay, and then of course we will know that whatever the conversation that a user and bot are doing, how we can store that conversation, so that there is a context passing between the models, and that can be happen. After that, you will also know that the system and human message, that of course in the system there are some messages which are provided, like our instruction that you are a financial advisor, you are something, and then of course you can say that is streaming response, like when you see whenever you chat into the chat GPT, how the words are coming. So that is known as streaming response or JSON response, that how response comes again. Now moving to the next slide. So next slide is a prompt engineering. So this is the engineering comes into the pictures. That's why AI is here. So with the help of powerful prompt, you can definitely do the AI activity. So we will be learning here prompt template, and in the prompt template, what are the core components are there. Apart from that, we will be learning the types of prompt template, like in which condition we will be using the which type of prompt, and then of course the system prompt, how will we defining the system prompt which is immutable. Okay, next. Then of course chain and runnables. Okay, so guys, in these days when you do some kind of a programming, you have to do the step-by-step coding. Okay, but sometimes you have to do like a chains. Okay, so chains means that one process has been done, and then the output of the first process is be the input of the second process, that is called as chains. And runnable is basically is nothing but you can say runnables is nothing but basically a part of a chain. An individual component is said to be a runnable. So in this we will be learning about LLM chain and the types of chain. Types of chains are mainly sequential chain, parallel chain, conditional chains. So these are chains we will be going to in this study. Next. And then we have a memory management. So memory management, memory buffer is very important, that how much content you will be storing and passing to the conversation, like conversation buffer or text window. Next. And finally the RAG pipeline. So RAG pipeline is very necessary, from which we will be building a like a application with the AI powered. So in this we will be learning how the document loader means that whatever the database or something that you have, it can be CSV, it can be data, it can be database, it can be anything where a company or custom data is residing here. And then vector. So vector is, guys, one of the technology in which we will be storing those embeddings. Okay, we'll learn about these terms, embeddings, vector and all that. And then retrieve Q&A. Retrieve Q&A means whenever you're asking a question to a chatbot, then it will retrieve your question answer. That is known as a retrieve Q&A. And the conversation chain. And lastly, we'll be learning about what is the advanced RAG. And after that, we'll be learning a lot of application in a lot of domain. So this is all together like a complete tutorial, as I told you, from scratch to building a advanced AI powered application. So if you like this video, please share and like this video and subscribe our channel Reviving India. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.